Meron tayong mga bagong bulaklak. Kanina nagpunta kami sa Lowe's. So, magtatanim tayo. So, kahapon may nabili akong petunia. And then, gagawin ko siyang hanging plants.
I keep on chasing who we were before. Tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Swear I traded all to get us back again. Don't know how to talk to you the way that I used to do. Nothing but negative space in our living room. Try to shrug it off, say it's nothing, but we both know that just isn't true. Baby, I can't seem to trace it. This love was sacred, now it's got our knees on the floor. Lost in translation, if we're way past saving, then what's it all for? Tell me it's alright. Tell me we're alright. Tell me that you and I
Guys, tignan niyo si Hana. Pinapahuli namin yung itik. Gustong-gusto niyang hulihin pero ayaw niyang hawakan. Natatakot siya. No, ingo sila yung tipunon, tanan. Ano lang isa kahakot? Kasi,
umatain ni guru.
oh.
Oh, you see him?
But okay, yun na oh. May sa bahog lang. Bakot na sa.
Mirai is really good.
Yeah. He likes the ducks.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, the other day he grabbed like 5 of them all at once. Good?
Hindi nang itik. Hindi na. Ikoy-ikoy at yan. The dinosaur yung liog. Amoy na sa? Ano?
I think so.
Yeah. She don't like that. She likes people.
Yeah, they do. Are you enjoying your new room? Yeah? Can you say hi?
Yan guys, nagtambak ulit ako ng dahon kasi gumagawa ako ng garden para sa dahlias. So dito ko sila ilalagay sa side na to. Ayan, dyan sila. So meron tayong magagawa dito sa labas ng bahay ngayon. Itatanggal ng stump sa paikot dito sa bahay kasi dati may mga puno dito na pinutol, and then yung pinutol nandyan lang din sa may lupa. So si Mister kapag nagmumo ng grass, matatamaan ng lawnmower yung pinakapuno ng kahoy niyan. So kailangan tanggalin kasi delikado sa lawnmower pag matamaan. And so yan yung gagawin nila ngayon. So tingnan natin pagkatapos kung ano yung magiging itsura.
Come here. And there's after. Nothing left. Nothing left of those two.
Ang ating menu, yan, chicken adobo for dinner. Yung aming leftover na rice, ginawa ko siyang fried rice. Hindi na ako nagsaing. So,
What you doing, Hannibal? No, not the bottom. The bottom doesn't need it. Just the sides. Bring it back a little bit.
I sprayed over there.
There, I got that on video.
This one is Chevy.
So that tree is right
Let's go.
in the front.
Yeah.
Say hi to the world.
Hi.
Is that the calm one?
Yeah. We're doing the whitewash for our fireplace. Let's see what's gonna be look like later. Ayan, si Mr. nagpipintura, ako nagpupunas ng pintura. So, ganyan yung process na guys pag nag-whitewash. And then, susundin siya ng punas ko. There you go. And then, pupunasan natin siya. Good morning guys! Today is Monday and umuulan siya simula kagabi hanggang kanina. And then hanggang ngayon medyo umuulan pa rin, patigil-tigil. So yan, nandito ako sa sasakyan. Yan, so nagkakape ako habang pinapanood ko yung aking garden. Ni-enjoy ko yung aking mga halaman panoorin. So, hindi pa siya tapos pero iniisip ko kung ano pa yung mga idadagdag ko dyan. So ayan na yung garden guys. Ayan, meron tayo ditong hydrangea. Yan, dalawa sila. So, and then yan, naglagay ako ng mga maliliit na bulaklak. Tapos yung pine tree na binili namin nung Paskong ginawa namin Christmas tree. So, ayan siya. And then, ayun yung isa. So, ayan. Ayan, bunot tayo ng damo guys. Tatanim ako ng kalabasa dito. Bigyan natin to sa itik. Itik. Guys, ang bilis nilang lumaki, di ba? 3 weeks pa lang yan sila ngayon.